Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the second day of June 2025. Great to be with you again. It's going to be something that we've seen time and time again on the trade of the day. We have a very strong candle um, pushing off and through the trend indicator, and even though it carries some risk, we can go for a larger target. The PVI on this is somewhere around 80. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 60 to 100 ticks long. So we're going to pick our ATM out here. And we'll go with the 20s, 50s, and 100 ATM. I think that's the one we used in the room. So here we go. This is exactly how it went in the room, live trading room today, which we just closed a few minutes ago. Again, a strong candle as used by the samurai indicator here. You have that green arrow showing you the direction we're going to trade. This candle here was 3 times stronger than the previous candle. And there we go. So we're going to put a cover order on. If it retraces, we'll take the cover order and we'll drop it down to the body of the candle. And here we go. So trade goes on. And we'll start it until we get our first target taken out. And then we'll speed it up so that we're not here all day. I think that goes relatively quickly anyway. All right, and if it retraces, we're going to pick this up and we're going to move it down to the body, but this has not retraced one iota. So we're in the trade. If that ever happens, we can use the current candle for our stop. So it's a great way of getting into a trade with less risk as well. All right, first target was paid. Oh, second target's out. So 20s, 50s are out. We're going to try for our 100 tick target, and that may take a little bit longer. Now we can lock in our initial wins, where we can still stay at minus 18, where we still make money. But if this wants to come back and take us out at +1 and then shoot up to my larger target, which it likes to do, now it's up to you. I think we may have held our risk on this, so I'll be interested to see if it actually would have taken this out. Let's go ahead and speed it up a tad. So it's gone about 75 ticks right there. If you want to follow this up with your stop, how you deal with the trade once you're in it, that's up to you. What I'm just trying to show you is what happened in the room today and how we handled that situation. So it's kind of playing around for a bit. There was a bit of a brick wall there, the green hashed line, but we're well over it right now. All right, so we're 4 minutes into the 5 minute candle and then we're out. Excellent. So that trade right there was worth 955 US dollars and took less than 5 minutes to complete. So if you would like to learn how to make $955 in less than 5 minutes, come join us in the US closed live trading room today. That's samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. Thank you. God bless you, and we'll see you tomorrow.